3 most popular ways to turn your plastic products into chrome. Welcome to my weekly video channel. Hi, my name is Samantha, the second generation owner of Glasfil Polymer Sdn. We are a one-stop plastic injection molding solution center in Malaysia. In my previous video titled 5 Crazy Plastic Inventions That Will Make You More Money, one of the amazing inventions I mentioned was that plastic could be made into a silver or metallic color through coating them with chrome. Click here if you haven't watched the video yet. So today I'm going to talk about 3 most popular methods to chrome plastic and the mechanics behind it. The first most importantly and commonly used method is plastic chrome plating. The process takes place in a series of steps, and it's not as simple as applying a chrome coating straight to the plastic parts. First, the part will be immersed into a concentrated sulfuric acid. The acid will be burned microscopic holes along the surface of the parts. Each hole will help metal coating stick to the surface in the later process. The part then will be dipped into an alkaline solution to neutralize the acids to stop the acids from continuously burning the plastics itself. After this part will be dipped into another bath to remove all the chemicals before performing the electrolysis plating. Electrolysis plating is where a thin layer of copper or nickel is coated onto the part to make it conductive, allowing it to accept the chrome plating. The final step is the electroplating process. The copper and nickel coating will be negatively charged and immersed into a tank containing positively charged chromes. The positively charged chromes ions will be attracted to the negatively charged metal layer and attach themselves to the part. After the ions are attached, they will revert back to their natural metallic form, ensuring an even chrome layer throughout the part. Once the electroplating process is over, the part is left to cool. This method is only suitable for rigid plastics, as flexible plastics are susceptible to stress fractures. Another method is vacuum metallizing. This method, which is called vacuum deposition, involves heating the metal coating material until it vaporizes in a vacuum chamber. The lack of pressure in the vacuum chamber will drive the metal's boiling point towards downwards, allowing the metal vapor to condensate and form a layer on top of the part. There are 3 main steps in this process. First, a base coat will be applied to improve the adhesive quality of the part so that the metal vapor can be properly received by the chrome. Then, the part is placed in a vacuum chamber where the metal is vaporized. The vapors flows in a single direction, allowing full control over its flow onto a part. A machine in the chamber rotates the part precisely to ensure even depositions of the metal vapor. Then a top coat is placed on the coated part to improve the part's chemical, moisture, and abrasion resistance. The last and the most simple method out of the 3 is spray chrome. This has been one of the most exciting breakthroughs in the chrome plating. First off, although it is called spray chrome, it actually isn't chrome, and it's also not spray paint. It is actually a front surface silver mirror that gives the same effect as chrome. It is a 3-layer water-based process. First, a base coat will be applied to sanitize the surface of the part. Then, a silver nitride solution, a chemical reaction, will take place on the surface of the part, forming the metallic layer. When silver is exposed to air, it will tarnish and turn black. For this reason, a top coat is required to protect the silver layer. A little bit of violet should be added to the top coat to obtain a pure look of brilliance without yellowing. Do you have any questions that you would like to ask me to explain about plastic injection molding or plastic manufacturing? Feel free to drop me an email at asksam@glasfil.com. If you like my video, don't forget to like and click on the subscribe, turn on the notification to get more weekly updates on manufacturing tips, design tips, and some plastic injection insider tricks for you to create excellent products that works as a solution for mankind. See you next week and goodbye.